Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. Let's explore the project page in BitBlast, your dedicated space for project management. Here you have a comprehensive overview of your projects, the ability to create new projects seamlessly, and access to essential details about each project. At the top of the project page, you will find a clear count of the total number of projects currently active in BitBlast. This gives you an instant understanding of the scope and scale of your ongoing projects. Empowering you to initiate new project is the Create Project feature. Simply type the desired name into the input field and with a click on the Create Project button, you can seamlessly add a new project to your BitBlast environment. You can also see a comprehensive list of all projects within BitBlast. Each project entry includes its unique name and ID, created on and updated on. The project page allowing you to monitor existing projects, create new ones effortlessly, and access critical details about each project for efficient project management. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.